Have you ever looked at a drop of water? At first glance it seems so ordinary, so mundane, just a tiny transparent bead reflecting the world around it. It looks clear, simple, uninteresting. But appearances can be deceiving. What if I told you that this seemingly insignificant drop holds more secrets than you could ever imagine? But what if I told you that inside that single drop, invisible to the naked eye, lies an entire world? A world bustling with activity, a microcosm of life that mirrors our own in complexity and diversity. A world teeming with life, with creatures so small, you need a microscope to see them. These tiny organisms, each with their own roles and behaviors, form an intricate web of life, unseen and often unappreciated. This is the world we are going to explore, a world where every drop of water is a universe in itself, filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Imagine peering through the lens of a microscope and witnessing a bustling metropolis of microorganisms. We are going on a journey into the miniature, to uncover the secrets hidden within a drop of water. We will delve into the lives of these microscopic beings, understanding their roles, their interactions, and their significance in the grand scheme of life. Come, let us discover the unseen universe that exists all around us. A universe that thrives in the most unexpected places, reminding us that even the smallest things can hold the greatest wonders. Join us as we embark on this fascinating exploration, revealing the hidden world within a drop of water. Imagine shrinking down, smaller and smaller, until you were no bigger than a speck of dust. Picture yourself in a world where the tiniest particles become your entire universe. You'd find yourself in a realm where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, and the unseen becomes visible. This is a journey into the microscopic world, a place teeming with wonders beyond our everyday perception. The drop of water would become an ocean around you, a vast expanse teeming with life. Each droplet is a miniature world, bustling with activity. Within this tiny universe, countless organisms thrive, each playing a crucial role in the delicate balance of their ecosystem. From the surface tension that holds the droplet together to the microscopic currents that flow within, every aspect is a marvel of nature's engineering. This is the world of microscopic organisms, creatures so small that millions can fit in a single drop. These organisms, invisible to the naked eye, are incredibly diverse. They range from single-celled bacteria to complex multicellular entities. Each one has adapted to survive in this minuscule environment, developing unique features and behaviors that allow them to thrive. Watching them through a microscope reveals a hidden dance of life, intricate and mesmerizing. These tiny life forms are everywhere, in ponds and lakes, rivers and streams. They inhabit every corner of the aquatic world, from the murky depths of a pond to the crystal-clear waters of a mountain stream. Each habitat offers a different set of challenges and opportunities, shaping the lives of the organisms that dwell there. The diversity of these environments ensures a rich tapestry of life, each thread contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. Even in puddles after the rain, these temporary habitats spring to life with the arrival of water, providing a brief but vital refuge for countless microorganisms. In these fleeting moments, a whole ecosystem can flourish, with organisms rapidly reproducing and interacting in a race against time. The next time you see a puddle, remember that it is more than just a splash of water. It is a microcosm of life, vibrant and dynamic. They are the foundation of the aquatic food web, supporting all other life in these watery environments. These microorganisms form the base of the food chain, providing essential nutrients for larger organisms. Without them, the entire aquatic ecosystem would collapse. They recycle nutrients, decompose organic matter, and even produce oxygen through photosynthesis. Their presence is crucial for the survival of fish, amphibians, and countless other species that depend on healthy water bodies. So the next time you look at a drop of water, remember the vast ocean of life it contains. How do we see these tiny creatures? First, we need to collect them. We can gather a sample of water from a pond, a lake, or even a puddle. The more diverse the source, the more fascinating the creatures we might find. We will use a special tool called a pipette to collect a small amount of water. This water, filled with unseen life, will be our window into the microscopic world. Now that we have our water sample, we need to prepare it for viewing under the microscope. This involves placing a single drop onto a glass slide, a thin rectangular piece of glass. Then, we carefully cover the drop with an even thinner piece of glass called a cover slip. This creates a thin film of water, a stage for our microscopic performers. Section 5, Through the Lens, a journey into miniature. With our slide prepared, we are ready to peer into the world of the very small. We place the slide under the microscope and adjust the focus, our excitement building with each turn of the knob. At first we see nothing but blurry shapes. But as we increase the magnification, the world explodes with life. Tiny organisms, previously invisible, swim and twirl before our very eyes. Section 6. Bacteria, the tiniest inhabitants. The smallest and most abundant of these organisms are bacteria. They are single-celled organisms appearing as tiny dots or rods under the microscope. Bacteria are the most ancient life forms on Earth. Though tiny, bacteria play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They break down organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the water. These nutrients can then be used by other organisms, highlighting the interconnectedness of this microscopic world. Section 7. Microalgae, the green pioneers. Next, we encounter microalgae, tiny plant-like organisms that capture sunlight and convert it into energy through photosynthesis. They are responsible for producing a significant portion of the oxygen we breathe. Under the microscope, microalgae appear in a variety of shapes and colors. Some are green, others are golden brown, some are round, others are shaped like tiny boats. Section 8. Paramecium and amoeba, the single-celled wonders. The water teems with movement as we spot a paramecium, a single-celled creature covered in tiny hair-like structures called cilia. It uses these cilia to propel itself through the water looking for food. Nearby, an amoeba slowly extends its body, changing shape before our very eyes. It uses this unique method of movement to engulf and consume its prey. The amoeba is a master of disguise, constantly changing its shape. Section 9. A delicate balance. Our vital need for clean water. As we journey back from the microscopic world, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the hidden life within a drop of water. Each droplet, seemingly insignificant, is a bustling metropolis of microorganisms, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. These tiny organisms, invisible to the naked eye, are the unsung heroes of our natural world. They help in breaking down organic matter, recycling nutrients, and even purifying the water we depend on. Without them, the water we drink, the lakes we swim in, and the rivers that sustain our agriculture would be vastly different, and not for the better. This miniature ecosystem, teeming with diverse and fascinating creatures, plays a vital role in our environment. From bacteria that break down pollutants to protozoa that feed on harmful algae, each organism has a specific function that contributes to the health of our water bodies. These microorganisms form the foundation of the aquatic food web, supporting larger organisms like fish and amphibians. Their presence is a testament to the intricate and delicate balance that nature maintains. Disrupting this balance can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not just the water quality, but also the health of entire ecosystems. This hidden world reminds us of the importance of clean water. Clean water is not just a resource, it is a lifeline. It is essential for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and agriculture. It supports our health, our economies, and our communities. Yet, despite its importance, clean water is often taken for granted. Many people around the world still lack access to safe and clean drinking water, leading to numerous health issues and even death. Ensuring that everyone has access to clean water is a fundamental human right and a critical step towards achieving global health and well-being. Pollution can disrupt this delicate balance, harming these tiny creatures and having a ripple effect on the entire ecosystem. Industrial runoff, agricultural chemicals, and plastic waste are just a few of the pollutants that can contaminate our water sources. These pollutants not only harm the microorganisms but also accumulate in the food chain, affecting fish, birds, and even humans. The consequences of water pollution are far-reaching, leading to the loss of biodiversity, the spread of diseases, and the degradation of natural habitats. It is a stark reminder of the impact our actions have on the environment and the urgent need for sustainable practices. By protecting our water sources, we are not just protecting these microscopic worlds, but all life on Earth, including ourselves. Conservation efforts, such as reducing pollution, protecting wetlands, and restoring natural habitats, are essential for maintaining the health of our water bodies. Community initiatives, government policies, and individual actions all play a role in safeguarding our water resources. By working together, we can ensure that future generations have access to clean and safe water. It is a collective responsibility that requires awareness, commitment, and action. Clean water is a precious resource, and it is up to us to protect it for the well-being of all life on our planet.